I'm Ted Harrison, I'm the artist, and I live in Aberystwyth. The painting of Rosie is inspired by the time that I was watching the proclamation of the new king on television at Cardiff Castle, and there in this splendid blue outfit was the High Sheriff, as I later gathered she was, and it was really eye-catching, and I thought to myself, I must find out a bit more about this person. After the picture is shown here at the Senedd building, it will be going into the National Collection at the National Library of Wales in Aberystwyth.
My name is Rosaleen Moriarty-Simmonds. I'm a resident of Cardiff and a regular visitor to the Senedd. My own painting is waves coming over as if they're coming over the sunset. Bright bold colours, lots of blue, which is my favourite colour, as you can also see from the outfit that I wore when I was High Sheriff.
I think it's important that here at the centre of government of Wales, we're bringing to public attention the fact that people with disabilities are able to do so much.
I actually was the first disabled person born disabled to become a High Sheriff. So it has lots of connotations and important aspects to it. It has inspired other disabled people to now go forward and take up such roles. And then, of course, my own painting was invited to show that as well. The two are totally different, but we are both well-known artists. So it's really nice that we both get an opportunity to show our work in such a prestigious place.